Hi, I'm Terry Kohler. I'm the Director of Physical Resources for the Coastal Heritage Society. Today we're here in the paint shop at the Georgia State Railroad Museum. This is the building where we do most of the fabrication and building work for our construction projects for all of our museums. So displaying 19 cannon takes a lot of space, and we don't have that much floor space in the History Museum. So we came up with this rack idea where the bore of the cannon will actually be slid over these pipes. The base here is solid steel. It's 3/4 of an inch thick, 4 feet wide, 8 feet long. You can see there are 6 holes drilled in it. This is going to be actually mounted to the floor, into the concrete floor at the History Museum. The other thing that we had to figure out is how would we get this whole thing into the museum, because it won't fit through the door the way it is. So we decided to design this socket that is integral with the base plate. And then what we're calling the column slides into the socket. So this whole portion can come out and be moved into the museum separately. We actually drilled holes through the column so that the pipe goes completely through the column and it's welded on both sides. We also engineered the pipe so that it's strong enough to support the weight of the cannon. So this is a structural scaffolding. There are 2 aluminum lifting beams on the top of the scaffolding where we'll hang chain falls. Each chain fall is capable of lifting 1,200 pounds. Each cannon weighs about 1,100 pounds. This rig will allow us to lift the cannon to whatever elevation it needs to be at to slide onto the rack, and then we can roll the entire scaffolding to gently place the cannon on the rack, put it in position, and then roll the scaffolding back out of the way.